Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an important topic to discuss for anyone who's ever faced a U.S. Customs notice of seizure. We'll be diving into the non-CAFRA form and the different options you have when it comes to electing proceedings. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our informative content. So, what is a U.S. Customs notice of seizure? And why might you receive one? Well, Customs and Border Protection, CBP, issues this notice when they seize merchandise believed to be involved in illegal activities, such as smuggling, intellectual property infringement, or a violation of any number of partner government agency regulations. Now, let's talk about the Non-CAFRA, Civil Asset Forfeiture Reform Act form. When CBP seizes your property, they will often send you a notice of seizure along with this form. It's crucial to understand that the non-CAFRA form is used for cases that fall outside the scope of CAFRA, which is a set of rules governing asset forfeitures in certain situations. So if your situation doesn't fit the CAFRA criteria, you'll likely be dealing with a non-CAFRA form. Here's where things get interesting. When you receive a notice of seizure along with the non-CAFRA form, you have several options for electing proceedings. These options determine how you'll challenge the seizure and potentially get your property back. 1. Petition for remission or mitigation. If you believe the seizure was a mistake or that there are valid reasons to have the property returned to you, you can file a petition for remission or mitigation. This involves submitting a formal request to CBP explaining why you think the seizure was unwarranted or requesting a reduction in the penalties that may be imposed. Further, provide any evidence that supports your petition. CBP will review the merits of your petition and issue a decision. 2. If you wish to contest the seizure and believe you have strong legal grounds to do so, you can opt for judicial forfeiture. This involves taking your case to federal court. It's a more complex and time-consuming process, but may be necessary if you have a solid case for the return of your property. 3. The offer in compromise. This involves proposing a settlement to CBP where you agree to pay a sum of money in exchange for the return of the seized property. It's a negotiation process, and if accepted, it can be a way to resolve the matter without going to court. Keep in mind, this may not apply in all cases. 4. You can choose to abandon the property if you no longer wish to pursue its return. This is a way of relinquishing any claim to the seized items. Keep in mind, by abandoning interest in the goods may affect your ability to be admitted into Customs' Global Entry Program. Before making your choice, there are a few essential considerations. Consult with an attorney. It's highly advisable to consult with an attorney who specializes in customs seizure cases. They can provide you with expert advice and guide you through the process. Deadlines. Be aware that there are strict deadlines for electing proceedings and filing petitions. Missing these deadlines could harm your chances of recovering your property. Documentation. Maintain clear records and documentation related to the seized property and the circumstances surrounding the seizure. This can be crucial when making your case. In conclusion, receiving a U.S. Customs notice of seizure can be a stressful and challenging situation. However, understanding your options, especially when dealing with the non-CAFRA form and election of proceedings, can significantly impact the outcome. Remember to seek legal counsel, stay informed about your rights, and act within the prescribed timelines to give yourself the best chance of resolving the situation in your favor. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or would like us to cover more topics related to customs and legal matters, please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with anyone who might need this information, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.